Hello, my name is Doug Poirier. I'm the technical lead for the Earth Ranger buoy project. I've been working on software development for about 30 years, including about 12 years worth of software development on cloud platforms. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Earth Ranger buoy project, which is a cloud solution enabling on-demand fishing. Before I get into the details of that project, I want to tell you a little bit more about Earth Ranger and the Allen Institute. Earth Ranger is one of several nonprofit programs for the Allen Institute for Artificial Intelligence. The Allen Institute was founded in 2014 in Seattle, Washington, through an endowment from Paul G. Allen, from the original Microsoft co-founders. Earth Ranger collects, integrates, and displays data from around 100 manufacturers with sensors such as weather sensors, mobile devices, vehicle trackers, as well as field reports from various rangers and other devices integrated into the platform. The Earth Ranger buoy project, originally built in 2022, is based on the technology used by Earth Ranger around the world. We were selected to receive a grant from the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation for on-demand fishing in the middle of 2024 and have continued to work on that project. Earth Ranger's primary goal is, of course, to help reduce the risk of whale entanglement. To do this, we'll provide a secure cloud solution and mobile application for disseminating on-demand fishing gear across different types of users while ensuring data privacy. With our experience as a data aggregator for the hundreds of other types of devices, we'll be able to do the same with on-demand fishing gear. This will allow any manufacturer to integrate with Earth Ranger buoy for any type of device, such as deck boxes, smart buoy devices, or their own servers. We're even happy to help with integrating with those servers ourselves. We'll also allow users to choose their preferred device, whether it's a chart plotter or mobile, to view their gear. We will also be providing 24/7 support for anyone integrating with our platform. Our initial release will be in Q4 of 2024. It will include a mobile app and a cloud platform. The mobile app will be free to use, available for iOS and Android. No login will be required. Each user will be able to view gear within 5 nautical miles and view some of the gear details, including details on the location. We'll also have user settings for gear that moves in and out of that 5 nautical mile range, as well as being able to change the units based on your preferences. Our cloud platform will have APIs for easy integration. We will have 6 current manufacturers, and when complete, our RMW hub integration will increase it to about 15 manufacturers total. We will also have time zero integration, allowing users to view their gear on chart plotters. Now I'll tell you a little bit more about our 2024 and 2025 priorities. As I've said before, we'll have a mobile beta release in early Q4 2024, and around mid Q4 2024 we'll have our full release with RMW Hub and Time Zero integrations. Starting in 2025, we'll be working on advanced permissions, including single sign-on for fishers with a federal permit. We will also have anonymous users, just as it was released in mid Q4 2024, along with more advanced features that I'll talk about on the next slide for fishers, gear lenders, and enforcement on the web platform. In 2025, starting in Q2, then we start to have gear marking, gear sharing, owner notification on recovered gear, as well as offline usage. The software development kit will begin to be available for people working with other devices. Now we'll go into more details about each user type that we've identified so far. Manufacturers will be able to integrate with our free cloud platform that will simplify data sharing as well as data aggregation, and will also provide ongoing 24/7 support for those manufacturers. As we said before, in part of Q4, we'll have anonymous user capabilities with limited visibility of gear from manufacturers. It will also be free to use. Fishers will be able to view the location of their own gear and gear details. They'll also be able to view location and gear details for gear that is shared with them. A really great feature that we're looking into is a notification when gear is discovered or recovered that could potentially save fishers thousands of dollars worth of gear loss. We'll also have a role called Gear Lender, where a lender that uses multiple manufacturers will be able to see all gear that they are loaning out and will be able to get advanced reporting on that gear usage. Enforcement will have a web platform for reporting details from gear compliance checks. We do have some challenges and opportunities for this platform. One challenge that we're going to need some help with is around administration. Who's responsible for defining and managing rules, such as viewing distance? In some cases, and people that we've talked to, they want the viewing distance to be 5 nautical miles. In other cases, they want it to be 10 nautical miles. Maybe there's region-specific rules. Maybe there are role-based rules for different types of users and what data they can see or not see. Similarly, around user management, we'll need to know what users are members of what regions and what roles they play in those regions. I know some teams have already been working on data and data sharing guidelines, and we're looking forward to working with fishing, governmental, and manufacturing organizations on those guidelines. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Doug Poirier. I'm the Earth Ranger Buoy Technical Lead, and my email address is dougp@earthranger.com. Looking forward to working with you.